FPRMFI channel presents a video message from Vida Altia Mangalabnan, a family friend of Ruiz family dating back when FPRMFI's chairman was in college. She is also an advocate of a life-changing gift of education. Being a scholar herself during college, she spearheaded Maersk Manila procurement team's own CSR to send to school some children of the poor in Basco Compound, Tondo, Manila, and partnered with World Vision Philippines. She is an active member and part of the coordinating committee of Adamson University COCOFED Scholars Alumni Foundation Inc. with aim to pay forward by giving scholarships to deserving and indigent students in different technical schools. After her corporate employments, she now serves as a volunteer Bible study teacher in the barrios and communities and involved both in radio broadcast and jail ministries to share the transforming power of God's Word.
Hello everyone. Nakakatuwa na Florentino P. Ruiz Memorial Foundation. I don't know if I got it correctly. Florentino P. Ruiz Memorial Foundation ay nagpapatuloy. It is continuing at the same time, it is serving as a legacy para po makapagbigay ng education sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Manila Tribunal. And I thank the Lord that my good friend, my colleagues BFF, had this in his heart kahit noong panahon na nabubuhay si Daddy Tino. Sa mga naging scholars ng Florentino P. Ruiz Memorial Foundation at sa mga scholars ngayon, hindi ko lang kayo binabate, hindi ko lang kayo congratulate, but I am giving a challenge to you. You are in a generation na kung saan ay napakalaki ng challenge. Hindi lang para sa mga individuals na kagaya nyo, kundi sa generation nyo. You are living in a time where corruption is very evident. Sabi nga sa Acts chapter 2 verse 40, save yourselves from this perverse generation. Kayo na mga scholars ng FPR MFI ay patuloy lang na.
Thank you for watching.